welcome to Clara Crochets. I'm Clara, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to slip stitch in a row with this yarn, which is Loops and Threads Soft Classic. It is an acrylic number 4 medium weight yarn, and I'm also going to be using a 5.5 millimeter crochet hook. A lot of people first learning to crochet get the slip stitch and slip knot mixed up. So I'm just quickly going to talk about that. A slip knot is the loop you put your hook in at the beginning of any crochet project. And there are lots of different ways to make a slip knot. A slip stitch, however, is a stitch, and there is only one way to make it. A slip stitch, you actually want to start by making a slip knot and putting your hook through that. Then you're going to yarn over and chain 10. This is your foundation chain that we'll be working our slip stitches into. And you can actually chain as many as you want. Just remember, the more you chain, the more slip stitches you will have to do. Once you've chained however many you want, which in my case is 10, stick your hook into that second chain from your hook. Then yarn over and pull through just that first loop. You should have 2 loops on your hook. Now, don't yarn over, just pull your hook through 1 loop. And that's a slip stitch. So again, this time don't stick it into the second chain from the hook, stick it into the first chain from the hook, yarn over, pull through 1, don't yarn over, pull through 1. And repeat this across the row in each chain. The end of your row, chain 1, flip your work, and repeat this across the row in each chain. If this has been helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye!